Hi, my name is Faizu. I'm a student. I'm also a student of Skilldoor. In Skilldoor, there have many services like IELTS, spoken English, and many services. I admit here for spoken English. Outdoor practice is part of our class. Outdoor practice is really important. I enjoy a lot. When we come outdoor for practice, we observe all the things our what happened in our around sites, and then we speak in English. I really enjoy it. I want to thank Skilldoor for arranging this outdoor class, and thank you my honorable teacher. We can see that many mothers come there with their children. All parents are really busy in the days, but in the end of the day they are free and come here to pass their times.